Hey Panthers, welcome back. Okay, today we're going to work on getting that. Last time we were here, we practiced getting that shot off quickly off of if you're right-handed, off your right foot, or if you're left-handed, off your left foot. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on both getting forehand shots off quickly and backhand shots on everything we've practiced. So we've set up a little passing device here that's going to pass the puck back to Elle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it between her legs. Okay, and it's going to bounce back to her, and she has to receive the pass, quick shot on her forehand or quick shot on her backhand. So Elle, let's give this a shot. We're going to try alternating between forehand shots and between backhand shots. So Elle, if you want to set up. Good, okay. Let's take a backhand shot now. Okay, you got to hit the net. Okay. Let's go, move over a bit. Okay, right there. Good shot. Good. Okay, now we're going to take a backhand shot. Okay, and one more forehand shot. Okay, good job. So good luck. Let's keep practicing those shots, and next week we're going to work on some puck control stick handling drills. Have fun, and we'll see you soon.